The Path to Success, A Journey of Perseverance. Chapter 1, The Seed of Ambition. Success is a word that carries different meanings for different people. For some, it means financial wealth; for others, it signifies happiness, recognition, or fulfillment of dreams. But what remains constant is that success is never accidental. It is the result of ambition, hard work, perseverance, and the right mindset. The story of Arman Rahman is one such example. Born in a modest neighborhood, Arman was raised by parents who believed in the power of education and hard work. Though they had little, they instilled in him the belief that he could achieve greatness if he set his mind to it. As a young boy, Arman would spend hours reading about successful individuals, their struggles, and how they overcame adversity. These stories planted the seed of ambition in his heart. Chapter 2, The Early Struggles. Dreams, however, are not enough to guarantee success. Arman faced numerous challenges in his early years. His family's financial struggles meant that he had to work part-time while attending school. His classmates often had access to private tutors and better resources, but Arman had to rely on self-study and free online materials. Instead of being discouraged, he turned these difficulties into opportunities. He disciplined himself to study late into the night and sought help from mentors who recognized his determination. He knew that knowledge and skills would be his ticket to success, so he absorbed every bit of information he could get his hands on. Chapter 3, The Power of Persistence. Despite his best efforts, Arman faced setbacks. He failed his first college entrance exam and was devastated. Many of his friends moved forward, while he felt stuck. It would have been easy to give up, but Arman reminded himself why he started in the first place. He analyzed his mistakes, identified weak areas, and prepared again. The second time around, he passed with flying colors. This moment was a crucial turning point in his life, teaching him that failure is not the opposite of success but a stepping stone toward it. He realized that persistence separates those who achieve their dreams from those who quit too soon. Chapter 4, The Role of Discipline and Hard Work. As he moved forward in his academic and professional journey, Arman understood that talent alone was not enough. Discipline played a significant role. He set clear goals and developed a routine to achieve them. While others spent time on distractions, he stayed focused on self-improvement. His dedication paid off when he landed his first job at a prestigious company. However, he did not stop there. He continued learning, took additional courses, and sought opportunities to grow. His mindset was simple: continuous learning leads to continuous success. Chapter 5, Overcoming Fear and Taking Risks. Success often requires stepping out of one's comfort zone. Arman had a stable job, but he always dreamed of starting his own business. The fear of failure held him back for years. But he soon realized that taking risks was necessary for growth. With careful planning, he launched his startup. The initial phase was tough. He faced rejections, financial losses, and moments of doubt. But he reminded himself that every successful entrepreneur had once faced the same challenges. By staying resilient and adaptable, he eventually built a thriving business. Chapter 6, The Importance of a Positive Mindset. Throughout his journey, Armin faced negativity from people who doubted him. But he chose to focus on positivity. He surrounded himself with like-minded individuals, read motivational books, and practiced gratitude. His mindset helped him stay strong even in the toughest of times. He also learned that helping others brings true fulfillment. He began mentoring young individuals, sharing his experiences, and encouraging them to follow their dreams. Chapter 7: The Reward of Success. Years of hard work, discipline, and persistence finally paid off. Armin became a well-known entrepreneur, inspiring thousands. But more importantly, he found happiness in his journey. He realized that success is not just about reaching a destination, it is about the journey, the lessons learned, and the people impacted along the way. Chapter 8: Facing New Challenges. Even after achieving success, Armin knew that growth never stops. He expanded his business into new markets and faced fresh obstacles. Competitors emerged, economies fluctuated, and new technologies changed the landscape. But instead of fearing these changes, Armin embraced them. He learned new skills, adapted to trends, and stayed ahead by innovating. As he ventured into the global market, he encountered cultural barriers and logistical issues. Yet, his problem-solving skills and persistence allowed him to overcome these hurdles. His journey proved that success is not a final destination but a continuous process of improvement. Chapter 9: Giving Back to Society. With financial stability and influence, Armin felt a deeper responsibility towards society. He established a foundation to support young entrepreneurs and underprivileged students. Through scholarships, mentorship programs, and business grants, he empowered others to pursue their dreams. He believed that true success was not just about personal achievements but about uplifting those around him. His philanthropic work earned him respect and deep fulfillment, reinforcing the idea that success should be shared. Chapter 10: A Legacy of Inspiration. As Armin reflected on his journey, he realized that his struggles and victories had shaped him. He decided to write a book, sharing his insights and experiences with the world. His story inspired countless individuals, proving that anyone could achieve greatness with dedication and perseverance. Through speaking engagements, mentorship, and social initiatives, Armin ensured that his legacy would continue. He understood that the lessons he had learned were not just for him but for everyone striving for success.